Welcome! If you're tired of constant pings from a friend's chat on Snapchat and want to silence them for good, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated, step-by-step method to permanently mute a friend's chat notifications. No more interruptions until you decide otherwise. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This brings you to your main profile page, where you can manage everything about your Snapchat experience. Next, scroll down and tap on My Friends. This will show you a list of all your Snapchat friends. Find the friend whose chat notifications you want to mute. Once you've located them, press and hold down on their name. After a moment, a menu will pop up with several options. At the top right of this menu, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on them. From here, select Chat and Notification Settings. Now tap on Notification Settings. This is where you can take full control over what alerts you receive from this friend. Look for the option labeled Mute Chats, and, until I unmute them, toggle this switch on. Once you do, you've successfully muted chat notifications from this friend. You won't get any alerts from their chats until you decide to come back and unmute them. This setting is perfect if you want to stay friends on Snapchat, but need a break from constant notifications. Remember, you can always reverse this by following the same steps and toggling the mute option off. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can enjoy a quieter Snapchat experience, free from unwanted chat notifications. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips to make your social media life easier.